Good afternoon, fans. Ito na po uli ako sa court ng basketball. Will be start of training again. Everyday training kami after class. So kasama ko yung mga college division, junior division, and elementary division. Ito po yung nakikita nyo, sasaksihan sa ganda ng court. Unti-unti na pong gumaganda yung court. Yan. Sabi na, yan. So ito po yung aming training. This is preparation for this coming year season. Itong next season sama namin. O, lahat ng mga gustong mag-training, welcome po kayo dito. Punta lang po kayo sa akin dito sa La Concepcion College. O, so yan yung nakikita ninyo kung gaano kaganda yung court. Gaano kaganda po yung aming venue. Yan. Watch out da. Yan. Drills po tayo. So for the meantime, mamaya naman po ulit. Next vlog ko naman po ulit ay training skills naman kami mamaya. Dribbling and passing and shooting, followed by play. Next drill, Carioca. Ready, go. In. Carioca muna, Carioca. Yan. Next, up. Yan po, gayang karami ang aking mga fans, ang aking mga athlete. Yan po, yan ang aming development skills training program. Next, back kick. Next, back kick, back kick. Back kick tayo, back kick. Hey guys, back kick. Ready, go. Si Balbao ang nagpapapogi. Pinaka bata sa LCCan. Lumaki na ang tiyan. Hey, arms. Okay, tuloy! Tapos na. Nakita nyo nagbibideo ko eh.
Sorry po!
Mamaya makikita ninyo sa YouTube ko to. Next. Oh, say hi, Formento.
Hi, sir.
Say hi, Blig.
Hi, sir.
Yo.
Say hi, Joshua.
Hi, yo, brother.
And Stanislaw.
Hi, what's up? Welcome to my vlog.
Yes.
What's up mga kanegro?
Yan, mga kanegro ha. Shuffle, up, kamay. Shuffle, up, kamay. Lance, say hi. Tina, say hi.
Lalagyan namin na.
Ay, kita nyo na sa buong Pilipinas yan. Naka-vlog na yan. Yan. Hey, shuffle! Shuffle tayo, shuffle! Middle! Anong pinagagawa nyo, anak?
Zombie.
Nagsizombie! Next, shuffle tayo. Up yung kamay. Shuffle, up yung kamay. Up, down yung kamay. Up, down yung kamay. Up, down. Meron na, nakabigay na yung ano. Andun na yung resibo. Okay, shadow defense. Shadow defense, go! Okay, back. Shadow defense, go! Okay, guys. Tulid run. Tulid run. 10 rounds. Go, ikot. Next, follow. Next. Hey, dun tayo sa ano ha. Dulo-dulo. Hey, jog run tayo. Jog run. Gusto yung kumaway? Pwedeng kumaway. Yes, pwedeng kumaway. Yan. Para makita kayo sa buong Pilipinas. Yan. Omsi, merci chance. Yan. Okay, guys, walk, walk. Okay, this is lateral defense, shadow defense, 25 defense. 25 defense lateral. So 25 defense lateral. Hey, run tayo dyan, wag mag-walk dyan. Tan. Hey guys, hey, run tayo, run! Oh, next, 50. 50 tayo, 50. Stay low, moving, go. Pabilis sa konti, 50 tayo, 50. Eh, 50 tayo, 50 defense, go, bagal yan. 50, shadow defense. Nice one, go. Now, 75. Faster, 75, faster. 75, faster. Hey, parang 50 lang kayo dyan. Ang bagal. Ang 75, moving na tayo. Go, 100. Go, 100. Hey, two set, 100. Two set, one set. Once more. Hey, run! Okay. Okay guys, this is transition offense. Transition play. So moving na kami, tumatakbo na po sila. This is transition. Yeah. Transition po tayo. So go 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 go, faster 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 faster. Hey, kamay kamay kamay. Yung kamay, yung kamay. Hey, defense defense, yung kamay natin, defense. Defense. Go, 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 go!
Ito pa, pabalik.
Hey, next, pabalik! Hey, ready? Go, Sadilla! Say hi, Balboa!
Hi!
Okay. Oh, say hi! Biral, Biral, say hi. Baka makita ka. Yan. So, moving po. So, training namin dito ay transition. Speed, run, agility. Next, yung isa pa.
Okay, next. Ito lang ang pwesto ko. Hanggang sa papo.
So, ready, ready, go! Eh, kailangan na naka-cross yung paa. Eh, naka-cross yung paa. Para yan, yan. Cross. Cross ang paa, cross, cross. Yan, very good. Balbawa, cross ang paa. Pucha, nagcha-cha-cha. Oh, nagcha-cha-cha si Rano. Paa, paa. Footwork, footwork yung paa. Kamay, kamay. Nakabuka ng kamay. Tulig. Edril, kamay! Buka na kamay! Wala na naman sa ayos!
Last.
Okay. Okay, next, go! Run! 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 Go Belga! Go Belga! Run, 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 run Belga! Go Claro! Hey, one suicide, planting rice.
Isang linya na lang daw. Isang linya.
One line, one line, one line. This is planting rice. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Lahat yan.
Two set tayo, two set kalahati, kalahati, two set. Balance tayo, one set and two set tayo. Hati, hati, hati. Hey, two lines tayo, go. First line. Sabay na yun pa dyan. Ready, go. Planting rice tayo, planting rice. Hey, touch line, touch line, touch line. Ready, ready, go, 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 go. So next, so our skills, passing. So monkey passing, chest, overhead, pass, and bounce pass, chest, overhead, bounce pass, the wild switch, then overhead, then switch. So this is passing pass, overhead pass, bounce, overhead, the wild, next, overhead, chest, bounce, overhead, the switch, chest pass, bounce, overhead, go, switch, skills of passing. Okay, next group. Hey, bola, hoy! Go. Next trick. Yan. Okay, yung nagkakamali, that's the sign na hindi nagte-training. Yan, ngayon lang nag-training si Lance, kaya hindi alam gagawin. Yan, si Idol Lance, hindi nagte-training. Oh, change tayo, switch. Okay, next group. Good. Nice one. Bounce pass. Overhead. Good. Nice, Idol. Oh, switch tayo, switch na nak. Ready, go. Bigay mo. Yan. Bounce. Overhead. Daig pa kayo ng mga bata. Kayong tatlo. Gunggong. Oh, nakakaya kayo. Daig pa kayo ng mga bata, oh. Oh, this is 13 new development. Arito si Bobelga ko sa center. Yan ang Bobelga ko. 13 years old. Sige. Anong gagawin mo? Switch. So this is drills, transition drills, wild chest pass, overhead pass, and bounce pass. Overhead, bounce pass, while attempt to shoot. Layup, next drill. Next. Chest pass, overhead, bounce, guard layup. Nice one. Chest pass, overhead, bounce pass, guard layup. Okay, this is what we call transition drills. Bounce pass, guard layup, up and near. Nice one. Okay, next group. Okay guys, go, next group. Chest pass, overhead pass, timing, bounce pass. Nice one. Go. Overhead pass, timing, passing, and layup. Nice one. Next, chest pass, overhead, and bounce pass, guard layup. Make it sure. Next, guard layup. Next. This is transition play. Guys, let's go guys. Masanay kasi kayo na pag nag-inbound, alam nyo kasi kung bakit malapit kayo, dapat nag-inbound doon sa labas. Mismong baseline. Eh guys, Alberto, baseline. Yan ang tama. Chest pass, overhead, then guard layup. Hey, inbound, baseline. Chest pass, overhead, and bounce, guard layup. Nice one. Chest pass, overhead pass, then bounce pass, then layup. Very good. Okay, this is the part 1 of training exercise. So, abangan nyo po yung part 2. So, magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. At mabuhay po ang LC Shots.